OMG, guys, I have this huge 2 handfuls, maybe more, slime. Let me just turn you guys around so you can see it better. You won't be able to see my face, but today we are going to be doing bubbles with this boy. So, well, yeah, that's what I've just told you what we're going to be doing. So, yeah, I'm just stretching this out, making it clear. Oh no, we're running out of room. Oh no, I'm gonna have to stretch it this way. Like, bring it this way. But yeah, I'm gonna just do a bubble today. Pop for me, thank you. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of bubbles. So yeah, I can't wait to do this. So yeah, this is gonna be super duper dupery dupery fun. So yeah, we're just gonna let it sit, and let me just show you guys how cool this is. It is clear. Let me just get the lights on back just to show you how clear it is. Oh my. This is how clear it is. It's so cool. So, oh Danny, it's dripping, so I'm going to pick this up. Ah, no, stop dripping. I need to pull it apart. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm just going to pull it apart because it's like snot. Well, this is snot, I would say. It's not slime, guys. It's not. Let me just rip it. Come on, just rip apart. Okay, there we go. So there's the rest of that. Just dump it in there. We don't really need it. But yeah, I've got loads of slime on me, so yeah. So we're gonna get ready. Oh no, this is not a good way to do the bubble way. Do it this way. Ready? Steady. Oh, bubble didn't turn out. A little bit. Oh no, guys, the bubble didn't turn out because it was like all over the place. So let's get our little bit back. Whoop. And just to say, I might not post this video, I'm just doing this video for fun. But anyway, look at that, I'm not even touching it. I'm not even touching it. Like, it's just so cool. So let me just do this, stretch it out like that. I'm gonna do, okay, so then I'm gonna stretch it up like there, stretch it out like that, and then stretch this out like that, stretch this out like that, and that's where we're gonna stop with this. So we're gonna leave it to 5 minutes just to sit, and then it will be able to drag it. And maybe we could do bubble down on the floor. It could be big. So, yeah, peace. Let's just wait and for a bit. So, yeah, while waiting, we're just going to be dancing with no music. So, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, I'm just going to show you this putty. I'm going to do it on this side. It's a farting putty. And yeah, it's really nice. There's any slime mixed here. Yeah, it's a really nice slime. So yeah, let's just wait now. So, I've been waiting forever. And you guys will probably be like seconds. So, yeah, let's just do stretch it out. Whoa, that stretched out far up. Guys, this is really hard to stretch out. I just did a bubble, guys. Like, OMG. I got a bubble, I got a bubble, got a bubble, got a bubble, got it. Alright, popped. Let's try. Yeah. Ready? Bam.
No.
Oh my gosh. The bubbles just pop straight away. Whoa. Look at this. I'm just gonna pop it. Okay, so we're gonna get down on the floor and do the best bubble we can. So let's go. First of all, we're gonna make the floor clean. So let's get the cleaning gear out and clean. We got cleaning gear, now we're just about to clean it for where we are going to have the slime. So mainly just here, so here we're just cleaning. Done. Cleaning's done. Now let's get on moving to the slime down there. We're just gonna let it fall. So let me just show you. Gonna get it up there. Yeah. Whoa. It's coming, guys. You see it? OMG. I'm gonna have to catch it if it falls on you. It's like slow-moing, guys. Slow. Are you joking me? I got some on my shirt. The shirt's never gonna wash. Oh no. Guys! It's just like someone's like bogies are falling. You know, bring it closer. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, it landed on you guys. Oh my gosh. This slime is super duper heavy. Give me a second, guys. Let me get it all off here. So let me set the camera up, guys. Alrighty, guys. We got the slime on the floor and I'm on the floor. Listen. It sounds like I'm slapping it. So let's just stretch it forward. And then we gotta stretch it backwards. And guys, honestly, I think this is not where I cleaned. So yeah, the slime's gonna be dirty. After all, I don't really care. It's just the floor dirty. It's been mopped anyway. So yeah, we're just gonna stretch out to where all the others are. Up to. Let me just put that together and let that sit for a minute. Let me just do the same with this bit because this bit's come open and that bit. I'm just gonna like stretch it as far as possible. So making sure there's no holes, but there is a lot of holes. Just to say, guys, so this might not work. Hopefully it does, because if it does, this is going to be so epic, and it's caught on camera. Like, OMG. So, guys, now I need to come down to you. I don't want to get this all off my clothes. It's so close to going all over my clothes. Right, now I've got to come over this side to you guys, because now we're going to be doing the epic, awesome bubble. Not yet though.
Why is it then?
So, let me just let that bit sit, guys.
Does it go all over the floor?
So, yeah, don't touch it with your feet. I've got it stuck on my t-shirt.
Well, it'll get stuck to the floor then.
It won't, there's the floor. My t-shirt's fabric, floor's not. So, now guys, I'm going to do the bubble. That's my bubble. So, here you go. Where should I do the bubble? Guys, I'm going that end. Doing the bubble on this end. So, ready guys? Get this bit. And we're going up. Now look, that's not working. It's not working. Wow, this is not working. Literally ripping it out, guys. Guys, this has not worked. We are going to just try and get it mostly off the floor now, because it's not working. It's just ripping. How do I put it? Too loose. So yeah, let's just roll it all back up. but I could try and do it, guys. Let's just try. Yeah, it didn't work. Here we go. Just rolling it back in, and I'll have to get all the excess that's on the ground. Whoa! I did a bubble, but it's not an awesome bubble. Guys, it's gonna take forever. And you bring all this in. Guys, this is like a hot mess. Ugh. Hot mess, I say. So, let me just grab what bits that are big and rolled up, and then that'll be easy to get. Then I could just clean the rest up. Just leave it. So now I'm just gonna clean the rest up so I can go and get help. Yeah. Which this is my helper. Today, this is my helper. My helper that's wet. Now we're just gonna get the places that the slime was in and try and find where the slime is. And feel like Cinderella, guys. Go around the slime. I think that's all of it here. So, give me a second, guys, and I need to lift up the slime back up. Don't leave any more slime marks. Let's get this back up, guys. And yeah, you guys are just going to... I'm just going to say... Oh. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye. Peace out, and don't forget to comment down below if you want me to do a slime smoothie. So yeah, love you. Peace. Okay, cleaning this up. Oh guys, sorry. You were still filming. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Keep dabbing on the haters. Yeah, so just dab on them haters.